Okay. It's your turn to read to Lola. Want to read to Lola? Such a cute little book. What does it say? Dreidel cat. Okay. Time to read to Lola. You gonna read to me? You be the one to read. Hmm? You be the one. Hmm? Yeah. What do you think? Does it have pictures? Hmm? Does it have pictures? What does it say? What is the story about? Heaven? Hmm?